What is up, gang? It's RJ Anullai from Mumbai. Heard it in a while, right? So today, as you guys know, it's 30th November, and we mark Billy Frenzy's channel anniversary date today. He started his musical journey a long back ago. This is just a small representation. So, without any further ado, let's dive into it. Faridabad, Delhi, 10 September 1997. A star was born. A star who is shining today and making magic by his music, which is making lakhs of people happy every day. But before introducing you guys to him, let me introduce you all to his parents. Because I guess his parents are his major backbone. And once in a lifetime, if I get an opportunity to meet them, I would like to say a huge thank you to them because they didn't only raise the child, they raised an ideology to inspire people. So here they are. She is Mommy Frenzy and he's Daddy Frenzy. Mommy Frenzy is a doctor by profession, and meanwhile, Daddy Frenzy is a lawyer. They have two beautiful, amazing kids. The younger one is named Ajay. Meanwhile, the elder one, okay, yeah, he's Yash. I don't have much information about their childhood, so but I guarantee that they had their awesome times over there. Now let's come to the education. These boys completed their primary schooling in Delhi Public School, Faridabad. I hope Yash should remember these. So, in 2016, this 19-year-old guy got to know that he lives for music forever. And to study music in a whole new different form, he decided to study music abroad. He decided that London is the perfect place to start over, right? So he went there, but the twist was he wasn't allotted any of the college. Like, trust me, that's a huge risk, okay? He lied to his parents and went there. He stayed at his relative place for a few months, but still he was producing music and practicing guitar. After some time, he decided to go to town and search for the colleges instead. And there, he found his ultimate aim. That was the Trinity London. That was so fun. Like he had one of the awesome phases of his life at London, studying music and knowing lots of things about it. And then he came out with his first ever stage name called Abaddon, and he produced his first ever music single called Shooting Stars, which he uploaded on SoundCloud. And here's just a snippet. In the same year, but with a different stage name called Aslan, he released three of his tracks called Hardwell Apollo on 16th August, To the Other Side 9 September, and Ninja on 4th January 2017. Yash was issued an official certificate from Trinity College London. He was awarded level 3 and graded in Rock and Pop examination, which is highest anyone can get. He was also awarded 32 credits at QCF. And if you don't know what QCF is, QCF stands for Qualification and Credit. They use a credit system so that you can study units at your own pace and build these up into qualifications over time. Such a huge thing, man. And from here, the actual journey starts. He uploaded a brand new track on his YouTube channel called Better Than This featuring Vani with a whole new different identity called Vipure Music. And after this release, he went on a staycation and he enjoyed a lot. But trust me, his entry is worth watching again. On 20th of August 2018, Vipure Music produced another track called Win This Tonight in collaboration with Aksh Bagla. And trust me, guys, this song is a real motivation to you. And after this, he went to Melbourne to enjoy the music even more. And in Melbourne, he didn't stop producing, okay? He produced his third single called Roar, which included an Indian instrument called sarangi. These are the recording sessions, and this is the baby. And by 2019, this guy is back in India. Like he created bangers outside the country, imagine what he'll create while staying in here. And now there's a new character in the story because this character also played a major role shaping his career. That's his baby brother, Carrie Minati. Carrie is immensely interested in rap music. And someone said it true, right? That music actually depicts your feeling more than words. And these brothers actually made it true. They both came up with a whole new track called Trigger, and it is the first collaboration as Carrie Minati and Victor Music. This track actually triggered various social issues going on at that time.
गिनते गिनते सिक्के पूरे हुए 100 कि सड़के सड़के शाप हुए मेरे क्लॉ गाते गाते आवाज हुई मेरी रॉ ऊपर बढ़ती जिंदगी में ना कोई फ्लॉ ये गाना नहीं होना चाहिए फ्लॉप एक दिन में ना कोई पहुंचे ऑन टॉप लग जाए इनके मुंह पे फुल स्टॉप जब मेरा भाई करे बीट ड्रॉप
See, that was a complete banger, and this is the magic these brothers create. Now let's come back to our boy. Pure Music dropped his new single on 28th of June called Rocco. And trust me, that's a awesome bad guy. This track is his most viewed track till date and serves as a base of forming his own fandom. Enjoy! Yeah, it's the interval. So grab whatever you can for eating and enjoy the further video. I give you 3 seconds. One, two, three. I hope you got something.